Hey everyone! Before we jump in, I should probably explain why you're hearing AI instead of my actual voice. It's been a little while since the last video and that's on me. I got the crud, I've been sick, and right now, I still have no voice. I know, how disappointing this must be for everyone not to be able to hear my voice. Truly tragic. My thoughts are with you during this difficult time. Honestly, my dogs are thrilled. They're enjoying being in charge for a while. So today, I'm using AI to catch you up on what's been happening behind the scenes, what's come in, what it cost, and what's been built. This is the part people don't usually show you. The waiting, the deliveries, the realization that you may have ordered a lot: cameras, audio gear, interfaces, lights, cables, and a whole collection of equipment that confidently calls itself professional, while explaining absolutely nothing. And let's be honest, this wasn't easy. AI is powerful, but it still gets things wrong. Settings were off, audio didn't route correctly, software fought hardware. Sometimes I fixed one problem and created 3 new ones. And doing all of this while sick, not ideal, but progress doesn't stop just because life gets inconvenient. Here's what really matters. 10 years ago, what you're looking at would have required engineers, audio technicians, camera crews, programmers, entire teams. Instead, I used AI to help me understand signal flow, configure audio interfaces, route microphones, set camera profiles, and troubleshoot problems that normally require specialists. I didn't have experience, I didn't have a crew, I had patience. And AI that could explain things like I was learning from scratch. And yes, this all costs money, but here's the difference. I invested in tools, not payroll. No production crew salaries, no studio rental fees, no gatekeepers. AI didn't make this free, it made it possible. And there's something bigger behind all of this. This channel and this studio exist for more than content. We are actively highlighting Cuz I Matter Animal Rescue because our mission is to help animals on a global level. One of the goals is helping build kennels and supporting rescues that are overwhelmed, underfunded, and doing the hard work every day. This studio isn't just about creating videos, it's about creating impact. This is where things landed. It's not perfect, it's not finished, but it's real. And every single thing you see here was built with the persistence, patience, and a lot of help from AI. If you're watching this and thinking, I don't have experience, or I'm not technical, or I could never do this, neither did I. That's what this channel is about. Next video, I'll be back on camera, hopefully with a voice. And one last thing before I go, support your local rescue and animal shelters.